Hello and welcome. My name is Alex Gore, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to register to become a subcontractor. If you have any questions regarding the registration process, please reach me at my email at alex@trailinc.com. To begin, navigate over to the Construction tab and select Subcontractor Registration. You're going to need to create an account. Navigate to Register. Once all information is entered, click Register. In here you can enter your information. Once all information is entered, make sure to scroll down and click Update. Navigate back to the registration and proceed with Step 2. And this is the registration form, so you're going to fill out your information. This is page 1, General. Once you have all your information entered, click Next. Step 2, Employees. Add employees who you believe should have access to your account. These can be estimators, project managers, etc. You can do that by clicking Add an Employee. Once all information is entered, submit. Click Next. Step 3, Tax Information. To complete a W-9 form, click Complete W-9. Here, you can enter your information and sign. Please note, on signatures you must click the Submit button. Once done, click Submit. Redirect back to the registration. You can click the button here to resume. And now you'll see a record here has been created. You can click into it. And here you can download your W-9 document that you just signed. Next. Step 4, Workers' Compensation. Trail requires all subcontractors to file a workers' compensation waiver. Do that by clicking Sign Workers' Comp Waiver. Here you can navigate down to the signature pad and sign the document. If you would like to view the document before signing, you can do that with this link. And submit the form. You'll be navigated back to the home screen. Simply click the Resume Registration button. And just like the W-9 form, you can click into the record you just created. And this will create a workers' compensation waiver. And this is the document you just signed. Next, you will need to enter your policy information and your coverages. And don't forget to attach your certificate of insurance. Once all information has been entered, submit and hit Next. Step 5, Commercial Liability. Just like before, you'll enter your insurance information. Once all information has been entered, click Next. And lastly, you have your questionnaire. Think of your experience as a resume and explain why Triel should choose you over a competing bid. Highlight your specific achievements, expertise, and the value you bring to ensure successful project completion for Triel Incorporated. Please complete the following questions. This is where you're going to enter different information. So the first thing we're going to ask you for is what cities are you registered with? Add new city, and simply you can add very quickly. Say I live in Test City. There you go. And I can add multiple. So say I'm in Dallas, Okay. Next, what builders have you worked with in the past? So I can simply click Add New Builder. Let's say I worked for Triel Incorporated in the past. Number of years working for this builder. My reference name is Alex Gore. My phone number and email. Submit. Done. Now you have that reference. Next is, what new construction projects have you completed in the last 12 months? So let's say I finished a drywall finish out. And let's say we started that the 1st of July and it closed same week on the Friday. Submit. Done. In this section, you can upload photos and documents to support your application. Click Add Files. Choose Files. This will allow you to be able to drag and drop photos on and into. Once you have everything uploaded that you believe is necessary, click Proceed. Your application has been submitted. It will go into a review process, and if there is anything we need further from you, we will reach out. Thank you for working with Triel Incorporated.